Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin now. Disconnect the PC from the network to limit damage, then open Windows Security. Make sure definitions are up to date because a fresh database improves detection immediately. Start with a quick scan to catch obvious threats and then run a full scan. Once done, quarantine any positives. If the scanner flags unknown files, note their paths. Make sure to export or copy file locations for follow-up because you will need them in the next phase. Once preliminary scans complete, run Windows Defender offline for boot-level threats. This reboots the machine and scans before Windows loads. Next, reboot into safe mode to stop persistent processes and open Task Manager to end any suspicious tasks. Make note of service names and file paths. Then run a second opinion scanner like Malwarebytes for a different detection engine. After scans finish, compare quarantines and delete confirmed malicious files. Now finalize the cleanup. Delete quarantined and confirmed malicious files, inspect startup and scheduled tasks for odd entries, and run System File Checker and DISM to repair corrupt system components. Reset browsers, clear extensions, and change all account passwords. Enable two-factor authentication for important accounts. Once stable, create a restore point and a fresh backup. If a threat persists after these steps, consider a clean reinstall of Windows. Troubleshooting tip. If a tool fails, boot to rescue media and scan from an external environment to bypass active malware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.